Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at some of the exclusive offerings available only at KnifeCenter.com. At Knife Center, we work closely with the biggest names in the knife industry to bring a variety of preeminent knives directly to our consumers. Here is just a sample of some of the exclusive pieces that we have available that you won't find anywhere else. First up is the RMJ Tactical Combat Africa fixed blade. This intimidating piece of 80 CRV2 carbon steel comes with a 7-inch long blade and a sniper gray Cerakote finish with a black and orange G10 handle. It's a ruggedly designed knife meant to be used in any situation, making it the quintessential tactical knife as well as a very capable outdoor tool. Next, we have the Rick Hinderer XM-18 Gen 4. This 3.5-inch flipper features a full black DLC finish with a black and orange G10 face scale and orange anodized aluminum barrel spacers. It has a completely custom look to it along with unreal durability and superb ergonomics. It is everything you would want in an EDC and tactical blade, and you'll know you got it from Knife Center because our logo is subtly etched in the flipper. Moving on to the Jake Hoback Kwaiback MK4. Jake Hoback is one of our favorite custom knife makers here at Knife Center, not just for his beautiful overbuilt designs, but for his strict quality control standards and innovative features. This ultra high-end production version of the Kwaiback comes with a CPM 20CV stainless steel blade and titanium handles with our exclusive bed form milling finish. The build on this knife is so premium, you'll feel like you're carrying a custom Hoback around with you. This Knife Center exclusive comes with multiple color options, so you're sure to find something that looks great to you. We also have something for the outdoorsman with the Ken Onion Knifeworks Special Edition 4-inch hunting, fishing, skinning, bird, and trout knife. Sure, it's a long name for a knife, but it only illustrates the versatility of this piece. The BD 1N stainless blade is one of Ken's absolute favorite steels, and it has a sleek look with the black DLC finish and a polished black G10 handle to complement it. The shape of the grip was specifically designed with outdoor life and use in mind, allowing you to perform extended outdoor cutting tasks without fatigue. Ken is known for his ergonomics, and this is one of the most comfortable hunting knives in our building, and it would be perfect for your next hunting or fishing trip. We also have a couple of exclusive Spydercos with the Dragonfly and the Delica. All the performance and features you'd expect from Spyderco are here, but what sets these knives apart is the pack of wood handles available only here at Knife Center. You'll love handling these Spyderco knives thanks to the natural feel of wood in the hand, and especially how easy it is to slide these in and out of the pocket. Both blades use a HAP 40 tool steel at the core with layers of SUS 410 stainless steel that give it the benefit of being both high performance as well as corrosive resistant. Look for our exclusive pack of wood handles on Spyderco's Endura and Ladybug models as well. We would be remiss if we didn't mention our exclusive Benchmade. The 484 Nakamura is a beautiful gentleman's tactical folder with a pleasantly smooth operation. It has an M390 stainless steel blade coupled with access lock functionality, contoured stabilized wood handles, and orange anodized aluminum barrel spacers. Those exclusive wood handles are extremely ergonomic, and the grooves lock your fingers in for a superb grip. That is just a taste of some of the exclusive offerings we have at KnifeCenter.com. We will have a link in the description below for all of our exclusive offerings. If you have any question about the knives we've showed here or anything else in our inventory, feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you would like to see more knife and tactical gear related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the original largest online catalog of cutlery, KnifeCenter.com. Check back often for updates on any deals we might be running on the best knives and tools on the web.